A dispatcher waiting on mobile access cannot confirm the next service window. A healthcare office dealing with a backup failure loses time in scheduling, front desk work, and billing. A manufacturer with locked production files sends supervisors chasing permissions instead of updating the day's run. That is why industry-aware IT support matters. As Bryan Fuller, CEO at Contigo, says, uptime, ticket flow, compliance tasks, and daily workflows all meet in the same place, the systems your people use to serve customers. For Houston businesses, IT support cannot focus only on devices. It has to protect the way work moves, customer requests to dispatch, production files to approval, patient schedules to billing, and invoice reviews to payment. The article explains where generic IT support creates drag. The same problems keep coming back under different names: access issues, slow approvals, unclear escalation, inconsistent permissions, unreliable backups, and cloud systems with no clear owner. A stronger support model starts with fast ticket intake inside Teams or Slack, so blocked approvals, broken logins, and shared mailbox issues do not sit unseen. It also requires Office 365 governance for permissions, onboarding, file access, shared mailboxes, and email security. Cloud systems need ownership, monitoring, and escalation. Backups need tested recovery planning tied to real workflows, not just a report that says successful. Security also needs process discipline, including SOC2-driven access controls, documentation, incident response steps, and reviews. The goal is simple: reduce delays, limit repeat errors, clarify ownership, and keep teams productive across dispatch, billing, scheduling, production, compliance, and customer service. To see how Houston industries can build IT support around daily workflows, read the full article, and be sure to add this to your Spotify playlist.